Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to protect your eyes with screen distance and measuring tool on iPhone. So please first of all subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video. Now to protect your eyes and to turn on this tool, you're gonna go to settings and then you're gonna scroll down until you see screen time right here. Now when you are here, as you can see, there's limit usage and screen distance. So just gonna click on that. And this is the tool. So to reduce eye strain and the risk of myopia in the children, or just for yourself, basically you're just gonna turn it on. And when you will be very close to your phone should let you know, and basically when you will be too close to your screen, the iPhone will pop up a notification that you are too close and that you should move further away. So that's basically it, guys. That's how you protect your eyes on your iPhone. And if this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel.